Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this frame that I got at Dollar Tree. I'm going to take it apart and I'm going to paint the frame with a gray chalk paint from Hobby Lobby. I'm just going to push those little things back in so I don't get the paint on them. And I'm just going to make sure that I get in all the little nooks and crannies of this, all the way around the whole edges and the sides. And then I am going to let that fully dry. And I'm just going to add a generous coat of Mod Podge to the backing. And I was just making sure that I cut it right and it fit. I'm just going to put a good coat of Mod Podge on here. These are really slick, so it's hard to get the Mod Podge to stick. So I'm making sure that I get every little edge of it. And then I can lay my scrapbook paper on and smooth it out. I'm just putting that on, kind of getting it where I want it, and then I'm going to lay it down, just smooth it out with my hands. Once I have that all done, I'm going to put that back into the frame. So I'm just going to lay that in there and then put the backing back on. Once I have that all back in there, I'm going to take this deer ornament that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm going to put that right in the center here. So I'm just going to put a coat of glue and then press that down right in the center of the frame. And I made it so his feet were touching the bottom. Then I'm going to take this greenery that I had and I'm going to glue that to the top left-hand corner. So I'm just put this one on this way and then this other one on the other side. Again, just adding some hot glue to put that on. And then I made this bow. I'm going to add that to the top. And to make the bow, I just used some Dollar Tree silver mesh ribbon and then some gray and white snowflake ribbon I had on hand. And I just tied them together. I'm going to glue that to the top left-hand corner on the greenery. And then finally, I'm going to put a silver bell in the center of the bow, and that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute, and I love how everything came together and all of the colors. And I think this can be used all winter long. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.